Hey everybody, Marie from Minard's Leisure World, and once again I get the pleasure of doing the video on the all-new 2022 Reflection 303 RLS. This is by far their #1 selling floor plan for the Reflection fifth wheel lineup. Has been since its inception about 7 years ago. So what you are getting in this 30-foot fifth wheel, you're getting 3 slides, bedroom opposing slides in the main area, under 10,000 pounds. So I'm not sure what province you're in, but sometimes over that 10,000 you have to have special licensing. So that is why it is such a big seller. Under 10,000 pounds, not too long, lots of floor space, and really lots of bells and whistles. So you are getting large fridges, auto level, 4-season insulation, large tanks, the list goes on. So we are going to get started. So what we're getting in this Reflection fifth wheel, 5-side laminated construction. And they laminate their own walls. Not sounding like a big deal, but it is so much, it really is a big deal. Deco warranty, tire warranty, the insulation in the underbelly with the thermal foil wrap with the 4-inch heat duct blowing underneath, and they also do tank heaters. Thank you very much. Into the pass-through compartment here, this floor plan, nice big underbelly. This is kind of what's keeping it from being a half-ton towable unit. It's a little more slide and more belly space here. Too much on the pin. Propane hookups right here. Motion sensor lighting. All aluminum frame, and you do get a battery disconnect in that compartment. Here we are, friction hinge door with the tie back, your traditional tie back. I still like that because our wind in Saskatchewan is quite windy. You should go out there today. The new steps for the 303, they've designed this so that this can fold into the door frame. Now the steps jut out a little bit, and the first series of 303s, you got the old steps. You get the new steps folding into the door frame. Just like that. Keeps them nice and clean. And these legs are adjustable if your ground is unlevel. Nice big power awning right here on your campsite, and a secondary awning on the slide, which really maximizes shady space. This comes standard with a 2-inch boat receiver, 4-pin wiring harness, backup camera prep, and a ladder to get on the roof. So let's check out the inside. So as we enter into this luxury fifth wheel, the first thing that a lot of people say is when they go into fifth wheels is, wow, look at all the height. Yes, if you're a tall person, even if you're a short person, it really gives you this appearance of being nice and large open spaces. Okay, we're going to get started here. Hutch area, nice and deep. Compare that if you're looking at other floor plans to the depth of the hutch. They don't skimp on this. Lots of plug-ins up on here. Lots of light switches. You're going to probably want a label gun for all the light switches. All your buttons and tank sensors are right here. Slide, awning, tank heaters, I did mention that. This is also equipped with the One Control app that you can get on your phone and run your auto level. You can run your slides, awning, and lighting right from the touch of your phone. Beautiful cabinetry, lots of drawers. Grand Design is known to not skimp on drawers. So again, if you're doing product comparisons, look at the drawers. Lovely island here. Nice big recessed stainless steel sink with the gooseneck faucet. Those are the solid surface counters. And then nice storage underneath. Here we are with the split oven. Stainless steel, cast iron top, big oven below so you can actually cook something in there. Furrion microwave, and here we are in the living room. So flat, recessed fireplace, big drawer here. Look at that, all that space. Flat screen TV with the pull-out swivel, storage above. And then this particular model right now has the stereo with the DVD player in it. I know they may be doing a change on this stereo, so we will edit the video to reflect that. Here we are at the back of the coach. So rear living room equals big, nice windows. And these guys did a total blackout blind for the windows, all the windows. So love that. There's a lot of tint on the window otherwise, so you don't need a day-night, just a night. Storage above, remember light switches, lots of light switches. And then into the theater seating area. So these are the Thomas Paine recliners. better demonstrate this for you. And they go all the way back, and you can have a good old snooze there. And they also have the heat and the LED lights, the massagers. Just like that. Okay, very comfortable. This material, it's a little bit texturized, kind of like a denim, but it's still the vinyl, so easy to keep clean. And you got 3 cup holders. Into the eating area, freestand table, chairs / booth. So the booth area over here, I like it because you've got a bit of a dinette here with some storage below. And then if you choose, it's quite comfortable. And then you can also take it out and remove both pieces and swing the other chair around. So you'd have your traditional freestand table chairs. And a little hiding spot for you. Nice. So we got a little cleaner look in here this year. Glass shower, nice and bright. The skylight, the lights. It just looks nice and clean in here. We've got a porcelain foot flush toilet. And then a medicine cabinet above the toilet with a towel rod. Sink and vanity, a little more counter space. And this is your third slide right here. This is a closet halfway in the bathroom, halfway in the bedroom. You've got a pocket door to close that off, but then you have quick access to the washroom when you need it. So here we are in the master bedroom. So wardrobe slide, north-south bed. This is an actual queen bed. Lots of cubbies, storage, chargers, plug-ins, sconce lighting here. And then you do get a window. So again, when you're looking at other floor plans similar to this, you get a nice big window here for cross breeze ventilation. Some extra drawers across from another window on the camp side. So quite functional. Storage under the bed. We'll have a quick peek. So pretty decent. Extra bedding and whatnot. It's probably about 11, 12 inches deep. So I know I forgot to mention a few things like the no floor ducting for the heat registers and cold weather rating testing, but we got to leave something for you to chat with us about when you come and look at it. Thanks for touring on the 303 RLS Reflection, the new 2022 model, and check us out at Minard's Leisure World here in Weyburn, and we're also servicing you in Watrous, Saskatchewan.